summer drink recipe. So the secret is to make the tea infusion first. So what we do is we do 4 shots or 4 ounces of the gin to 1 tablespoon of Elderberry Hibiscus Tea. Let it infuse overnight, and then next thing you know, you've got a beautiful infusion. So the recipe for the Elderberry Hibiscus Gin Bramble is 2 ounces or 2 shots of the gin infusion to half a shot of maple syrup and half a shot of lime juice. Sounds very alcoholic, and I assure you it is, but it's also very delicious. So the secret is to use enough ice so that you can dilute some of the alcohol. So we're going to do a full cup of ice. Alrighty. And then 2 shots of the gin infused with elderberry and hibiscus. And the great thing about this tea as well, it's made with Ontario elderberries and Egyptian hibiscus. It's super refreshing on its own, but as a cocktail, I assure you, it will keep you going all day. Then half a shot of real Canadian maple syrup, and then half a shot of lime juice. And then you just grab your cocktail shaker. Boom. Shake your money maker. Then check this out. Oh yeah. Looks delicious. And as always, fancy it up with a little lemon wedge. That's pretty much it. Elderberry Hibiscus Gin Bramble.